Hi guys, it's me, Sarah, and I'm reactivating your feed. I know it's been a long time. I've been doing verticals. Creators, we just have to go where the creation wants to be. And I'm back because I found this course that we released like 4 years ago, and it was a paid course. It was $100, and it was called Intro to Cooking, What Chefs Know That You Don't. And it was trying to basically show people. I always felt like the culinary school classes that I got the most out of were the first two classes, and they teach you just like all the secrets, just the tools, like how to hold your knife, how to set up your station, how to use salt, how to work with acid, how these things change flavor. I always thought that those two classes were the most important. And so I put it into a course, and the course, went on for a couple years and it did fine. And then I closed it and I found it today and I was like, wait a second, this is just sitting here doing nothing. So I thought it would be a great idea to post this right before the holidays for you. It's going to be obviously completely free. The reason that I wanted to come on is to tell you that this is the structure. It was a 12 to 15 video course, so I'm going to release the videos one after another. I hope this course is very helpful for you. One thing that I really love about it is, you guys know that I had my own catering company and I worked in banquets in hotels forever, which is essentially what you're doing through the holidays whenever you're cooking for large groups of people. So I sort of tried to demystify the way that chefs work together through those processes and like the little tips and tricks that help us, because they're pretty much standard no matter what restaurant or hotel you're working in. And we use them at home. Like I taught them to my family, and this is how we prepare Christmas dinner or whatever. And it's so helpful. It helps you get through that adventure so much more effectively. It makes you feel so confident while you're cooking for like 20 people, because I know it can be a little bit daunting. So here comes the course. I'm just going to release the videos one right after the other, and I hope this helps you. I have a couple of videos that are planning on coming out. They're just like foodie travel content type of videos, and then I think we're going to do another brisket course. I'm living in Washington now. I don't know if you can see how green and pretty it is out there. The Pacific Northwest is very different, and I think it's going to allow me to do more outdoor cooking because, believe it or not, Texas is really hot and sweaty, and there's mosquitoes and flies everywhere, and it was always kind of a challenge to do that. That's why we were always cooking inside. So I'm hoping to be able to do that more for you. I really miss you guys, and I miss YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this course, and I really hope that it helps you.